Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. I'm making another video for class 5th, lesson 3, working with objects or inserting objects in MS Word 2010. So here we have covered clip art, word art, shapes and cropping, inserting picture. Now we have to work on word art. So again I will show you how to insert word art. For inserting word art, you have to click on insert tab, then you have to click on word art. Select your design which you want. I want to take this one. I will write something. Delhi Public School. I will resize it like this. You can increase the size in a home button. Go. You can resize the size. You can take 72 or something. Take big one. It will be easy for you to understand. Now this is the way through which you can insert a clip art in your document. Now you have to use another options. Click on your clip art, click on format button. You have, these are word style. Already we have taken. If you select, you will get preview automatically. Look, whatever you want you can take it. It is up to you, your choice. So I took this. Now again, sorry, click on it. Now first option is text fill. Look, if you keep your mouse here, you will get option text fill. So text, what it does, look, I want to fill yellow color inside it. Means in your clip art you want to use any particular color, you can use. I want to use blue, I want to use this, I want to use red. I can take. It is up to you. Suppose I want to fill green color, I will take this. Okay, so this is a tool through which you can fill color inside your text. Second option is outline. If you click, you will get text outline. Outline means border. Look, I want to get border of yellow. You can take black. I want to take this. I want to take yellow. It is up to you which you want. I want black. I will click on black, so it will become more highlighted. So second thing was, first one was text fill. You can fill the text inside it. Second one was outline. Third one is very important, but you have to select every time. Text effects. When you click on it, you will get many options. Shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, something. For this you have to select your text first. Then click. You will get the preview also. Look, shadow. Look around the characters. You will black shadow. You will get, and this is more visible to understand. Yes, like this or this one. It is up to you. Look, shadow is behind the text. So you can make it more beautiful. So now one more thing you have to do. You have to take reflection, glow or something. I want to take glow. This one. Yeah, or this one. This one. Look, you can create glow around your characters. So you can use. Third option is text direction. You have 2 and 3 options here. You can put your text like this. Look, you can resize it. You can use resize handle. If you don't like, you can take your text like this. You don't want, you can take horizontal. It is up to you. But suppose you want to rotate it or at some certain angle, then you can use rotate angle. Look, click like this. Okay, so you can use rotate angle like this. Click it. Again you want to do, you can this. You can rotate your text like this. Okay, so these are things related to word art. Here you can fill text inside it, you can give outline, you can give shadow, you can give glow, you can give a background color. It is up to you. What is your requirement? So now next topic is we have to insert shapes. I'm going to erase everything. Press Ctrl A, press del button. Or now I will insert shape. I want to click on the insert button, then click on the shape. Now you can make rectangle. You can make other shape also, like circle. You can take arrow like this. You can make arrow like this. You can make star. You can make curly braces. You can make curve line like this. So you have so many options. Like here you can create. Here, if apart from this, you can create a smiley also. This one. So means how can you insert shapes? With go in insert tab, click on shapes, and you can insert any shape. You want to create cloud, you can create like this. But main thing is that how will you change the color of the shape? For changing the color, you have to right click on it, format shape. Here you will get this option, solid fill. Click on here. You can take any color. I like yellow. I will take this. Okay, you can fill other color, gradient color also. You have so many choices. If you want, you can put picture behind it. Means I have a picture of Dhoni, Kohli. I will put behind it this picture. Okay, so you can paste picture behind it, but be careful about the steps. I'm pressing Ctrl Z. I will go one step back. I'm going near beginning. Again, I tell you how can you change the shape. Right click, format shape. Now click any color which you want. Take this, and now you have color. You can change shape of anything. It is up to you. Apart from this, I want to add something. Suppose in this cloud, I want to add. I will click on this, add text. Here I can write Indrajit Singh like. Okay, add text. You can write anything. Add text. You can write star. And here you can select your text. Go to the home. Increase the size like this. Change the font size. And you can modify your text. I told you how can you change the background color. Select on your format shape, then click on this button, change your color. I want red, I will take it. So here you can change the shape, where you can insert your own color, and you can add text inside the shape. Now inserting a screenshot, this is very interesting. I'm going to paste new page. Yes, I have a new page. Look, for inserting, you have two methods. First, from the insert tab, here you can click on screen clipping. Click on screen clipping. You will get a screen like this. Select how much part you want. I want only this part. Drag on the screen. Look, automatically it is here. Again you want, just go insert screenshot. Okay, I take another window, then you will understand more. This one. Okay, go screenshot. I will click here. Look, this window is available. If you have already opened window, you can insert clipping. Now you want only this part. Look, this is very interesting. You can take select clip. You can take a screenshot of selected part only, like this. And suppose you want to take whole screen, then again insert, clip, the screen clipping, minimize, and take from starting to end. Select. Look, second way to insert, screenshot is that click on print screen button on the keyboard. So what you can do, click print screen button on the keyboard, then open MS Word and right click and paste. You can insert like this. You can take any window. Suppose I want this one, click on print screen button and press enter. You will get Control V, means right click and paste. So you have two methods through which you can insert clip art, screenshot. And third, next topic is how can you insert symbols and characters. So symbols and characters is very important because on the keyboard we have only limited numbers of characters and symbols. But in this world there are 1,000 types of characters and symbols. Suppose you want to put any particular character in your document, so what can you do? Means these characters we use in physics, in chemistry, in other subjects. Okay, so if you want to insert those characters, so you have to go in insert tab, then you have to go in symbol and click on more symbols. Look, here is a character pi. Look, click on insert, close it. Pi is very important in maths. You can increase the size. Pi is a character in maths. You cannot get this symbol on the keyboard. So for this, you have to insert symbol from keyboard. And suppose again go to the symbol and you want to take copyright, and this is a pi, this is a beta, and this is a infinity, is mu, alpha, ohm. This symbol we use in physics. This symbol is resistance. So here you can insert special characters. Still, if you have doubt, you can leave query on my personal window, and please watch this video properly, and please like, share and subscribe if possible. Thank you everyone. I'm closing now.